Alright, it's pretty dark in here, but I'm going to bed now, and when I wake up in the morning at 2:30 a.m., it'll be moving day and I'll be moving to Chicago. That's pretty wild. I'm not gonna think about it too much. I'm just gonna go to sleep, see how long I can sleep. It's 8 p.m. right now, by the way, but I woke up at 3 this morning out of nerves, so I don't think it'll be challenging to fall asleep right now. I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Okay, bye. Good morning, guys. So it's 1:40 a.m. I was planning on waking up at 2:30, but here we are. I actually slept really hard from probably 9 to 1:30, so I'm really grateful for that. I can hear the TV's on low in the living room, so I think there's a chance that my sister didn't sleep at all last night. And she's been watching her show and just sitting there nervously, but I'll go see if she's up now. She of course is also moving today to San Diego, and my mom and my dad are taking me to the airport in about an hour. Then after that, they are all road tripping down to San Diego. So it's a really big, exciting moving day for everybody and a lot of travel for everybody. So yeah, I guess I'll go see who was up all night and who's still sleeping. Turns out it was my brother in the living room. I forgot he was coming over too, and he just got off of a server shift at 1 a.m. and just came straight here, so he hasn't slept at all. Let's go check in with him.
We'll see you in 3 days. Not the wrong time.
2:30 a.m. crew, how we doing?
Doing great.
Yeah, what you got there?
Just hot toast with butter. I haven't slept yet.
Haven't slept yet?
Nope, got off work.
Hey Dad, say hi.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah. Get into it.
Oh my.
Oh. It's alright. It's alright. Sometimes.
Could I get another coin?
Yeah, we got more coins.
Yeah, you just absolutely smashed your head on that.
Oh no! Oh no! You did?
Can I?
Oh, I thought you were just ashamed.
My head went down so fast.
Oh, shut it.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? I haven't slept in 48 hours. How you doing?
Ready, I'm
I've
gonna
clocked
get
in and out of 6 different jobs.
Hey, guys,
Yeah.
you gotta get in line up here.
Okay, we're going.
It doesn't work, folks.
Doesn't work.
That's it.
Alright, you guys, we made it to the airport. Made it through TSA. My bags are ridiculously heavy. And I'm heading on over to my gate now. Just gotta wait to get on the plane. Hi. I'm honestly still trying to wrap my head around all this. I am in my new place. Say what? I'm in my new place. So I'll do like a full tour later, but here's the kitchen, here's the closet, here's the bathroom, here's my stuff sprawled out, and then it has this divider wall and a space for the bed over here. It's 350 square feet. It looks nothing like the units I was shown in the pictures online from 5 states away, but I'm actually really happy with it. And I love that it has this divider wall because the units I was looking at did not. So I'm so excited. It's super hot, but I'm gonna go get some non-perishable food and I might even eat out tonight. Actually, I think I will, just to avoid a meal here. And then tomorrow I get my electricity. I'll probably do a big grocery shop. But this is very, very surreal. Long day of travel. Finally made it. It is think like 5 p.m. time here, so it's 3 p.m. for me back at home. Been at this since 2:30 this morning. It's super surreal, but I'm so excited, and I'm gonna go to Target and load up on the things I need right now, which is like a towel, a bath mat, a shower curtain, toilet paper, and some other things. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll be back. Wow, guys. Okay, the reason why we're on infrared night mode is actually quite a funny one. Our only lighting right now is my night light, which I have behind the camera, and the reason that is because my electricity does not get turned on until tomorrow. Just a minor hiccup, but it made for some pretty hilarious, frantic unboxing of the kind of essentials I went and got at Target. Because I was racing the daylight and I was using the daylight we had left to like open stuff and read stuff and see things and get the shower curtain put up. I found out that a normal size bath mat does not work in this bathroom because the door turns in and it just like squishes it. So I'm gonna try to find a smaller bath mat. I got a Brita filter so I can drink water, and that was a feat, reading those instructions in the dark and then setting it up in the dark. But I did it, so I have clean water. I have clean water and I had a shower, so honestly, I'm set. But because I don't have electricity, I also don't have a phone charger or fridge. I also bought this faux fur blanket. This is just an infrared haul. And it's what I'm sleeping on tonight on the ground. I have a really nice mattress coming for me in the next week, and tomorrow I have oh, here comes the train. That's gonna take some getting used to. I think it happens every 10 minutes, judging by the passage of time. I don't know how late it goes, but I'm sure I'll find out tonight. And yeah, what I was saying was tomorrow I have like a fold-out mat coming that I can sleep on until my mattress gets here. But for tonight, it's the faux fur throw blanket and a jacket and whatever other clothes I want to use to pad my landing. So with that, it has been quite a huge, exhausting day. My feet are killing me, even though I was wearing sneakers. So I might do a little foot stretching, a little yoga, drink some freshly filtered water. I'm really, really excited to see what every day going forward will hold. Today was a day to behold, that's for sure. All right, guys, I'll talk to you in the morning. Good night.